Look inside your fume extractor. This is what you've been breathing past. Most of these filters you simply swap out, but the one on the front line taking the worst of it. That one you never replace, you rinse it in your sink. Let me show you the whole 5 minutes routine. In the next minute, you will know exactly when each filter needs you. The one part you just rinse in your sink, and the single mistake that wrecks airflow, no guessing anymore. Skip maintenance and 3 things happen fast. Suction drops, fire risk climbs, and clogged filter starves and shorten the life of every filter behind it. One neglected pad costs you the whole stack. Here is why you never guess. The panel watches every layer for you. Green is fine, yellow means soon, and red means change it now. It shows you the exact one, with a life percentage for every layer. Before anything, power off. And now wait a full minute to let the internal pressure to release, or the door and the filter will fight you. And then put the gloves and the mask. Always. Used filters are not something you can breathe. That's it, time to go. 2 bolts with a 5mm Allen key. Swing the door and turn the knob left to release the stack. That's the whole entry. This stainless spark mesh is your front line. You never replace it, you just clean it. And it couldn't be easier. Light grime, hot water and dish soap. 15 minutes, rinse and dry. Stuck bond, tap or grease. The pro method. Soak it in caustic soda for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse well. And be careful, gloves and goggles for that one, because it is a strong base. Let it dry completely before it goes back. Good as new, for a few minutes at the sink. The filter too is your cheapest consumable. You don't bin the whole thing. You keep the frame, swap only the pad inside. It only sits one way, so you can't get it wrong. 2 minutes, done. But the next 3 filters, that's where the real mistake hides. And when the expensive filters finally call, they last 6 to 18 months. It's the same simple motion. Loosen, swap, lock. But here is the mistake that kills airflow. This big filter drops in just as easily upside down. The arrow here must point up. Airflow runs bottom to top, backwards, and you choke the machine. One more rule. Always work top to bottom, HEPA, carbon, then F8, so gravity never drops a filter on you. Reseal. Turn the knob right until everything's tight. A leak ruins your filtration. Set the lock lever fully open. Close the door, lock it, retighten the bolts. Power on and green across the board. Everything done? Here is your whole maintenance life in one screen. The parts you touch most often, you wash one and swap cheap pad on the other. The expensive filters last up to 1.5 years. Premium air for pennies. That's it. No guessing, no dread, and all this in about 5 minutes. And here is the thing. The Air-700 is not a random add-on. It's built for the entire thunderlaser ecosystem. Your Bolt, Nova, Nova Plus, Nova Series, and Titan, and even the Aurora machine handles the precision, and the Air-700 handles the air. One clean, professional setup. Is this save you a service call? So please subscribe and type below to see why the Thunder Air-700 is built different. See you in the next one!